The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Seattle Police Department. At 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, an unknown aircraft has been spotted over Seattle, Washington. This aircraft is believed to be from extraterrestrial origin, but cannot be confirmed at this time. This aircraft is not hostile, but residents should remain vigilant at this time. If this aircraft does become hostile, mass evacuations of Seattle will take place. Please stay tuned to news outlets for new information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the FEMA and the Washington National Guard. All residents of Washington State, lock all your doors and windows immediately. At 7:10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the unknown aircraft above Seattle has landed. Multiple other cities in western Washington have also has these aircraft landings. These cities include, but are not limited to, Tacoma, Marysville, Everett, Bellevue, and Federal Way. These aircraft are hostile. I repeat, these aircraft are hostile. These aircraft are attacking any living being they see with a giant laser gun. It is unknown what the beings inside are. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 1:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, the aircraft terrorizing Washington State has spilled over into multiple states. These states include, but are not limited to, Oregon, California, Idaho, Nevada, Arizona, Texas, Oklahoma, Florida, New York, Maine, New Jersey, Maryland, and Virginia. These aircraft are from extraterrestrial origin. Aliens have been spotted leaving the aircraft. These aliens are 6.5 feet tall, pale green, extremely fast and strong, and have a laser gun. Many nations are assisting the United States to defeat the aliens, but are currently unsuccessful. It is advised that you go into a fallout shelter. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The alien attacks starting in Seattle, Washington have ended. All the aliens have either retreated or have been killed. Thankfully, Only 5% of the human population died when there was a potential human extinction event. Trillions of dollars of damage has occurred. Now here is a message from President Trump. My fellow Americans, this has been the darkest month in human history without a doubt. 5% of the total population died, which, sadly, is a good number. Trillions of dollars in damage has occurred, but we will rise up as one nation, under God, and rebuild the United States to its former glory and further. That was a message from the President. Normal programming can now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.